It is my pleasure to extend the most heartfelt invitation to all of you, my dear friends. Please reserve the time of 7 p.m. on Thursday, 6th of June 2024. I am going to speak on Shivaji Maharaj, the nation builder, on my newly launched Dharma IAS channel. Shivaji Maharaj, to our great fortune, was formally coronated on the English date of June 6, 1674. So come this June 6, and we would be completing 350 years of the historic coronation of Shivaji Maharaj. We are all here as modern, proud, independent, sovereign Bharatiya because Shivaji Maharaj happened. He was not just a small-time regional leader. Shivaji Maharaj is the nation builder. I am going to share my heart with you. I request you to please be present 7 p.m. on June 6th. See you then.